Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Chroma Key tool on your CapCut app. So if you want to edit your videos and you want to remove any color from video, or you want to remove video background, I will show you how you can use Chroma Key tool on your CapCut to remove and change video backgrounds. So for that, first of all, open your CapCut app. You will see this interface. Tap on new project and select video from which you want to remove your background. Like I will select this video, then tap on add from the bottom of screen. Now you can see I have selected this video. Now in this video you can see blue sky. I will remove this blue sky, and also I will show you how you can add another video or another color instead of this blue color. So to remove a video background, like assume that in this video this blue color is background of video. Now to change it, tap on video and move these tools forward. You will see Chroma Key option here. Now from a video you need to pick a color. Now you can see color picker here. So select a color which you want to remove from video. Like if I select red color from here, then by increasing intensity, the red color from video and the color of this car will be removed. Now you can see this car is become black now, right? So same as that, from color picker, if you select this blue color and increase the intensity, now you can see the blue color from video is removed and the sky become black, right? So set your intensity according to your video, then tap on a tick icon from the bottom of screen. Now you can see the sky blue color is removed and now the sky become dark or black. If you want to add another color in this black color or removed color, for that move these tools forward and go to canvas, and from canvas you can see three options here: color, background and blur. And from colors you can select any color to add instead of this black color. Like if I select this white color, the video will change and the sky become white. Or if I select red color or any color, then the sky will be changed. In all these colors you can also see a pen icon on the first option. By using this tool you can choose any color. Like I will select a green color from here. Now you can see video is changed. So in this way you can use Chroma Key tool to remove video background and to remove any color from video. After editing your video, to save your video, you can see a arrow button on the top of screen. Tap on it. Your video will be exported to your gallery. So in this way you can use Chroma Key tool from your CapCut app. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.